What's up mga guy? May adlaw din ninyong tanan diha no. Today, lain siya nga video. Kay today is a special day because it's Erica's birthday. So ako lang siya i-surprise kay sukad-sukad nga nagkauyab mi, wala gini na ako siya ma-surprise. Kay every time nga na ako i-surprise, di ko kagwanta, ako isulti sa iyaha. So, I just hope nga kanya akong surprise sa iyaha is succeed. And actually today, padung kumulak ka magpa-vaccine for COVID. And then after ana kay mulakaw kay magpatupi ko. Kay ingon akong nanay, ug akong tatay nga taas ko na kong buhok, nga akong naong mura na ko ng Arabo or Maldibo. Kabisayag na nga na. Surprise na ko siya magad to restaurant because we didn't plan anything because we're supposed to go to resort. Pero na-postpone tungod sa COVID. So, medyo disappointed siya gamay. Sad siya kay nag-think siya nga wala gid may buhaton tonight. So, mo to, unya, gabi surprise na ko siya for dinner for two. And I have malipay ra siya. Well, I think malipay ra siya cause malipay and ma-surprise. Even though nga this is a surprise, but mas ma-surprise pag yun siya kay naka-surprise ko niya. Alright, so I'll just go ahead, go for my vaccination and cut my hair para medyo presentable po tatanawan na niya, no? Adios, amigos. Nikuyog guys yan, no? Nana mo service. Buhat lang ko sa akong number 432.
You know all the side effects of the vaccination?
Yeah.
So after the vaccination, you might have fever, body pain, joint pain, and weakness for maybe 2 days.
Okay.
If you have a fever, you can take paracetamol or Panadol, anything which you take for fever. So you might have pain in this area, vaccination area also. Don't apply anything, don't massage, don't rub. Okay? Just leave it.
Just leave it.
Just leave it. Okay? And drink more water. If you have fever, you have to come for next second dose after 28 days.
After 28
28
days.
days. Yes. Just inform, I think,
Okay.
to get second dose. Some people have no vomit feeling also, nausea, left feeling also. Some people don't get any problem. Okay?
Okay.
Just leave it. Done.
Done.
Yes.
That's fast.
Okay?
Thank you.
Welcome.
Was fast. Ah, dali ara oy. Oy dagan kisaw. Diretso na injection. Yayay bugoy oy. Patupin na ta. Asa ka ni siya naglaag ay limpyo na kitagnaong no, pero ang buhok ambot lang, di ko kauyo na nilang tupid, di ba? it's good. Pero sige lang, at least yung pinatag na ready na tamlakaw. And kitaan na ako siya dito sa restaurant. Bye! So, while padong ko sa airport, padong na ko sa restaurant, nakoy nakasugat nga tao nga wala ko mag-expect nga masugatan gina ko siya, no? So, tanan nga ni nga plan nga i-surprise unta siya. Ako na hinuon na surprise kay look.
Oh wow!
Palpak yun ang plano na ko, no? So nanghambog pa ko sa inyo nga ganiha nga like this will be my first big surprise para sa iya, but still ako pa inoy na surprise niya sa gawas, nakitaan yung taon ko niya. Kung mag-expect nga mo gawas din sa office dali kay tanan.
Yeah, like he knows nga I go out by 5:45. I mean, not always. I don't always go out 5:45. So, moto, like since it's my birthday, I told my staff that hey, we need to leave on time because I have plans. I don't wanna do overtime tonight, please. That was the only time I asked for a favor and they actually did. And kudos to Shahi and Aryo for being so supportive of me. So, like I was walking going home and then I saw a very handsome guy carrying a camera. And I said, "Oi, where are you going?" And toink, 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 toink.
So no, ambot lang kung napaba ko'y kanang gana nga mag-surprise pasunod. Eh muragwa na gilami, kapoy na gyud ko. So kato akong ipang storya sa inyo ganiha, wa na gito siya gamit, no? So but still, I'm gonna continue this vlog since it's a special day. So we'll just see you in the restaurant then.
It's the thought that counts. He was able to keep a secret for how many hours?
Like almost, I think 24 hours.
For 24 hours! That's an achievement! Congratulations, Louie!
Maintain social distancing. Hello, darkness, my old friend. It's been a while, my friend. Dude. Hi.
Thai food.
You happy?
Yeah. Can see from the smile how happy. Ice cream! Ice cream!
Very good.
Such a happy birthday girl. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I'm 26. 26. They have fruits and sweets. Yes, loves.
Actually, this is my first time to scoop an ice cream. Like,
Really?
legit nga kuan ba? Legit nga scoop. It's okay. I wanna try. This is my first time doing this. Nag-isod ba kung ka ng tawin? Lingkod ba?
Ano naman?
Are
Are you so full?
Huwag kayo kung karsunis. Tayo eh. Biti ba eh?
Yay! Happy birthday!
Finally.
I am so thankful to this guy for planning this whole thing.
I was planning to surprise her, but she surprised me by...
I was still surprised. I didn't expect that we're coming here. I didn't expect I'm gonna get wine because it's a very like unusual promise. Like he guaranteed me last night because I said I just really want wine. Whatever happens, even if like we don't have to spend, we don't have to go somewhere, but I just want wine. And he was like so sure. Okay, we'll have wine tomorrow. It's guaranteed you will have your wine.
No, because you're expecting also that we will go to a safari boat.
Yeah.
Where there's a wine also.
Yeah, because that's the easiest way, I thought. But then he found this place. I was so surprised, guys. I was seriously, because yeah, he's not the planner in our relationship. He's not the surprise person. You can't count on him to like plan the surprises. But look at him. Look at us. Look at where we are. I'm so
Having
happy.
a wine of glass.
A glass of wine.
A glass of wine. Actually, it's a bottle of wine.
It is a bottle of wine. We're there. So fancy.
Nahuman gyud. Bisan pag, even though it's not a surprise, still, I made her happy. Look at that smile. Look at naman. We're doing. See you and thank you for watching. Bye. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday.